So people ask me, what do you travel with? One of the things that I take on my flights is a good quality set of headphones, and I do like the Bose brand. This new one came out, which is the QuietComfort Ultra. I did some reviews online and it did have good feedback, so I'm going to give it a try. It's a newer product. It's wireless. You sync it with your Bluetooth, and it's also rechargeable, which is nice because the old set I had required batteries. The reason why I bought this brand, first of all, is that I've been very happy with the performance with the previous set that I had. So I guess I would say I'm loyal to this brand. They're a really good quality brand and they know what they're doing. It's a bit of a premium product. But what's great about these new ones is, well, first of all, I do like the color. It's a nice neutral color. It's not black, so it's a little bit different. And they're supposed to be very comfortable on the ears. It's a wireless set of headphones, although there are cords included. They charge with a USB port, and the sound's supposed to be incredible, so that's a big deal. And then the sound on my last pair was pretty awesome to begin with, and that was an older pair. So I'm really excited to see how these turn out. And they have built-in mics, so that's also cool, because the previous pair I had were just headphones. These ones have mics on them too, so maybe I'll do some video editing with them. Who knows, maybe I'll even do some speaking, some voiceovers with them and see how it goes. But I do plan to get back to you and give you some feedback on how do these actually perform. In the meantime, let's do the unboxing. So peel that off. All right, come out here. Press play, pause the rest. All right. So there's a little pictogram there, QR code. This is what the box looks like. So, okay, nice neutral color. All right, nice little zipper. What I do like about the Bose carrying cases is that they do have a nice little elasticized pocket there. That's where the cords are. This looks like one USB cord here, and then the little round jacks. So this is helpful because on a lot of the planes, in particular JetBlue, which is one of my favorite airlines in the USA, they give you free movies and free TV, but you need to plug in your headset. And then, ta-da, beautiful. So, right, left, let's give it a try. All right, so that's the unboxing. Oh, I just heard a noise in there. Battery 60%, ready to connect. Interesting. Maybe there'll be a part 2 to this video. I'll give you a review on how's it going. If you want to know where to buy these, I will leave a link in the description. Headphones are just one of the essentials in my travel kit. I like to bring them on planes. I'm more into trying to find the planes that actually have some kind of entertainment on the back of the seat in front of me, as opposed to, you know, reading or just looking at my small phone. If you want to see more things that are in my travel kit, watch this next video. I'm Julie. If you're interested in watching videos on traveling or leisure, subscribe to my channel, Journeys by Julie. Hope to see you soon.